Registering for classes. Once you have completed your online orientation, your placement tool, and met with the counselor, you can now register and add classes. First, you must log in to your Access Rio portal. On the left-hand side, click on the Registration tab. You will now be directed to the registration tools. Click on Add or Drop Classes. You will have the option to select the term you are trying to register for. For example, let's select Summer 2020. Prior to registering or adding classes, you may be required to complete the pre-registration survey. Complete the survey and then click Submit. You will now be redirected to our Add or Drop Classes page. You will have a list of words that indicate status and action information. If you scroll down, you will see a variety of boxes. These boxes are where you would place your individual CRN numbers. If you are unsure what a CRN number is, please see our video on how to look up the class schedule. Once you have the appropriate CRN numbers for each class you wish to take, enter the CRN numbers in the boxes below. Once you have entered your CRN numbers, you will click Submit Changes when you are finished. You will now be redirected to our Add or Drop Classes page. You will see a status that confirms you are registered for the course. To see specific information about your class schedule, click on Student Detailed Schedule. You will now have a Student Detailed Schedule that indicates your course title, what term you have registered for, the CRN number of the course, your status being registered, your instructor, what grade mode you have, and how many units you are enrolling in. Towards the bottom, you will see scheduled meeting times. This indicates the times you are meeting for your class, which days your classes are held, the location, the date range, which indicates when you start classes and when you end classes, the schedule type, which is lecture, as well as your instructor. If you wish to email your instructor prior to the semester, click on the email icon on the right-hand side. If you choose to drop classes that you have registered for, you would want to click on the Add or Drop Classes page. Underneath Actions, simply click on the drop-down menu and click on the Drop Before Courses Start. Then click Submit Changes. You will now see that your status indicates that you are dropped before the course starts, and it also has a date that you dropped the class. To verify this, go to the Student Details Schedule. You will now see you are not currently registered for the term. If you need assistance with adding or dropping classes, please reach out to the Student Success and Dream Center at Rio Hondo, and we would be glad to help you. Remember, start Rio, go anywhere.